So this is a regular worm bin, regular starter kit, and this is our EcoStarter Worm Kit. So let's start by comparing the two, and we're going to start with the regular worm bin. Now, a regular worm bin, when you purchase a regular starter kit, what you're getting is worms and beddings and maybe some food scraps as well. Now the problem is that fresh bedding takes a long time to break down before the worms can fully process it, and that means that it can take months before you can actually start getting finished harvestable castings. And especially if you are starting your worm bin during the growing season, then you might not want to be waiting that long for the worms to process your worm bin. Now that is one reason why we created the EcoStarter Worm Kit differently. And instead of starting from scratch as you would with a regular worm bin, with our EcoStarter kit, what this includes is an active worm ecosystem, established bedding that is already rich in beneficial microbes, and active worm castings as well, and food that is already working within the system. So when you get our EcoStarter system, this is a full ecosystem that is in swing. As you can see, it has the castings, it is breaking down the bedding already. So what it does, it helps the worms to settle in faster, they reproduce faster, and they begin to produce usable castings much sooner than if you are to start from scratch with a regular starter kit. It also helps you to start seeing results in your garden faster instead of spending most of the time during the growing season waiting for a new system to mature. And yes, our EcoStarter system may be a little more expensive than most starter kits, but you're not just buying worms and bedding. You're getting a living, established ecosystem that is designed to give you the best result in the shortest time possible. Especially when the growing season is designed to give you the best result. Especially when the growing season is already underway, that head start can make a big difference.